Welcome back everyone to DIY Ad Freaks. It's Marketing Thursdays. As I promised you, every Thursday I'll be coming up with the best tips of the week, period. Everything I can give you, the most value always comes from us on Thursdays. So today, unfortunately, it breaks my heart, but I cannot give you better tip rather than stay away from Angie's List until further instructions. I've been with Angie's List for 5 years. I've been endorsed them, and I can't believe I'm actually finally filming this video because I've been looking very closely for the last 5-6 months what's going on with the Angie's List and Home Advisor after Home Advisor parent company purchased Angie's List. And I thought, I'm gonna believe my reps who is telling me change is not gonna be made, everything's gonna be fine, it's two different companies. I love Angie's List. I've spent close to $200,000 in the last 5 years on Angie's List. It breaks my heart to finally announce that I'm taking my company away from Angie's List. Why? Because honestly, Angie's List doesn't work anymore how it used to work. It's keep declining. I'm traveling all over the country, and it's very consistent picture when I ask guys who use Angie's List for years, does it work for you? And I'm talking about companies who has, like me, over 500, over 600 reviews, 1,000 reviews. I have a company in Michigan, over 1,000 reviews. I have company here in Minneapolis, almost 500 reviews. I have company in Chicago, 1,000 reviews. Every single one of them is saying the same thing. They are not renewing and they're not getting results. But here's the most disturbing fact. Listen to this conversation. In this conversation right now, you will hear that contractor is stating that Home Advisor getting Angie's List lease. He's paying Angie's List, and this is why I'm making this video today.
Hi, Dimitri. So I understand you had some questions about the merger of Angie's List and Home Advisor?
Yes, and actually, I'm recording conversation. I hope it's okay with you.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, you're also on a recorded line here as well.
Sure. Seems to me it's very obvious that you guys reselling leads to Home Advisor and paying you to be advertiser on Angie's List. I'm literally competing today for the same clients with the Home Advisor contractors, and it doesn't sit well with me. And I really would like to get some answers, like what's going on and why you guys doing that.
So what is happening is they are submitting a project request
At Angie's List.
Angie's List and Home Advisor have partnered on the project submission request. So when customers submit those requests, they do get split between Angie's List and Home Advisor advertisers.
So you're pretty much selling Angie's List customers. I mean, what you're doing is, it's very, very disturbing because you're not telling those homeowners that their information is going to be submitted to Home Advisor, and also you're not revealing that information to Angie's List contractors like myself that now have to compete for that information. So why are you doing it? If homeowner never sign up for Home Advisor, why are you sending them our leads?
So this is an attempt to further monetize, and it actually turns into a free benefit to get you more leads through.
But we're not getting more leads.
You paying any?
We're not getting more leads. You're getting richer, we're getting poor. So what's happening? Like, I'll give you an example. I spoke with a homeowner and contractor this morning. Contractor is the only contractor in his county who advertises on Angie's List. There's no other contractors in his area on a paid list. So he's paying you a couple $100 a month. Homeowner comes to Angie's List, requests the service, he goes on estimate, and homeowner tells him, hey dude, I have 4 more customers from contractors from Home Advisor calling me, and what's that all about? You taking money from him, you sending him on this lead, and you're selling that information to 4 other contractors. I mean, I know what you're doing. You're taking his money, and you're also taking money from 4 other contractors for the same information, and homeowner doesn't know nothing about it. has no disclosure? Why you're not telling homeowner that it's not Angie's List platform, it's a Home Advisor platform, and why you're not giving this information to people who advertise with you? So why would I pay you for information to advertise with you when you're going to be sending all the prospects to Home Advisor?
People who submit projects outside of our sign-in wall, so it's not. So I'm, I guess that's an unintended result of that project submission, and if they do view the terms and conditions that they agree to for the project submission, it does state right there in the first paragraph that it is a joint venture for Angie's List and Home Advisor, and their information will be shared.
Angie's List started to send customers to Home Advisor contractors. So if you paying to be on Angie's List, on the first page of Angie's List will take your information, your clients from you, and will sell it to Home Advisor contractors. Even homeowners never sign up with Home Advisor. And for that reason, today's marketing tip is do not pay Angie's List to advertise. That's the best tip I can give you this week. Next week, maybe something will change. Maybe we'll get sued or I can get killed by somebody from either one of them. I don't know what's going to happen. But as of today, I'm telling you, be very careful with Angie's List. And again, my company has 704 reviews. I know what I'm talking about. I've been very careful with my judgment, with my tips. I've been very careful to make information public. For the last 6 months, I cannot tell you how many concerned emails, calls, messages on Facebook I got from contractors all over the country. Dimitri, what do you think was going to happen? What do you think? I'm an optimist. I believe in good. I believe in positivity. I always give people second chances. I was waiting and hoping that Angie's List will not become Home Advisor. And right now I see Home Advisor is spreading their hands over Angie's List, which is not surprising. If you know Home Advisor business model, all they've been doing for the last 10 years, they've been acquiring platforms for the sake of their list of customers, contractors or homeowners. So that's how they've been doing businesses. I know manufacturers who were saying, Dimitri, Home Advisor wants to partner with us, but they want our customer base, and we're like, no, we can't share it with you. And that's the reason contractors keep getting calls from Home Advisor on a regular basis and cannot even cancel when they make a request to cancel the service. So I don't want to make this video to be about Home Advisor, but we see a huge trend right now about Angie's List. So I would say, you can try it. Maybe you're in a different market. Try Angie's List. Sign up a free version. See if it works. See what kind of response you get. But be very careful to pay them, because the moment you're going to start paying them, they don't have monthly pay as you go. It's not lead generation service. They don't have pay as you go contracts. It's yearly. It's for 12 months. So if you pay $200 a month, you're going to pay in for 12 months. And at this point, I don't know what's going to happen. Home Advisor are already making changes. I see that my reps calling me and saying, Dimitri, nothing have changed, and contractors bombarding me with the emails and calls saying, Dimitri, everything has changed. Nothing is the same anymore. So I see the Angie's List reps are lying to us. I see the contractors already see the change. And tip of the week for you, be very, very careful. We love Angie's List. We love Angie's List that was under Angie's management, but it's different company now. Angie, I don't know why you sold out. I wish you would be back. I wish that merger would never happen, because Angie's List, I firmly believe, was always the best thing that ever happened to contracting industry as far as lead generation goes, connecting homeowners to the contractors. But the changes we've seen the last 2 years, it's going south and it's going down really, really fast. I hope, guys, it helps. Please comment below. Let me know what you think about Angie's List. If you still having huge success, let me know. But unfortunately, as your DIY ad freak, I cannot endorse it anymore. I cannot honestly go in front of the camera and sleep well at night not talking about something that I'm attached. Like, my company's still here. And when you lose 700 out of 1,000 reviews, that's a hard business decision. So I feel the pain. So if you're hurting, I'm hurting too. I'm making this video out of pain. I have to admit my wrongs maybe, and maybe I made bad strategic decision a couple years ago, but it's time to move on. It's time to look for something that maybe works in 2018. Because if Angie's List let us down, we still have families to feed, we still have businesses to run, we still need our phone to ring. Let's not make this affect our mentality. Let's not get depressed. And trust me, I have more reasons to be depressed right now than most of people who probably watching this video. I mean, when you spend over almost $200,000 and you receive 700 reviews, and now you're in a position to close your eyes and then say, all right, time to move on, that's hard. It's like going through divorce. Who can I talk to about canceling, deleting my account? I don't want to no longer be associated with Angie's List. We have over 700 reviews. I've been promoting you guys for years, and you guys going south. Angie's List almost was like my wife, my second wife. I mean, I've done so much with Angie's List. It's insane. I've been preaching and teaching and sharing and commenting and telling the world how good it is, and now I have to make public video that they let me down and maybe even get sued over it. So what? I'm a media company, and we have to report the truth. When they don't perform well, I don't care about my relationship with them. I'm not biased. I tell you how it is. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.